Hello guys! So, I'm trying to do some reviews, tell pros and cons, but who can do a better review and talk about the pros and cons than the famous blogger? So I sent the kit to Alexander Kondrashov and see what came of it. In general, guys from the 3D Zeus made them especially for my Land Cruiser. They're located in the Far East in Vladivostok. They made max actually for any car. See the sandwich I have here? These are original Toyota mats. And these are crappy in such a way that the gas pedal can stick. See the gas pedal? Sticks on them like this and you can crash. And another problem is that when you're washing it, a car wash with stinky water, they then get rotten and stink. And the backside is also unclear how they did it. See, here the regional mats seem to lie normal, but nothing is protected here. This is exactly what I wanted, what I was looking for a long time ago. Let me show you why. The regional mats that Toyota makes are very small, cover maybe 60% of the floor, and these completely cover your floor, 95% maybe. Why it's good that the guys are in Vladivostok? Because they have access to any car. They can very quickly make the patterns, even if they hadn't done it before. And these mats are really easy to replace, just 3 days and that's it. So this is the front. Let's set it up and have a look. These mats are laid perfectly, almost perfectly. Here's the trick that you can safely remove these pads on top. This is a winter version so that the water doesn't freeze, the mats don't become slippery. But the summer version is here, look. Looks expensive and rich. I like it. And almost the entire surface is protected. That is, the dirt will not get anywhere. It's made for the air ducts. Also, there's a set of fasteners, but I haven't figured out why to use them. I put the mats on top. Let me figure out what we have here. So I figure out what to do with the mats. Look, there are special fixtures here, so that general everything will be great. See how well it's done here? The brake pedal will never slip up in your life. Here, from the point of view of safety, these mats stand sure as hell. Look. And they are like, due to the fact that they're long, they stay and fasten well. Guys, hardly thanks for the mats. They're very cool, I like them. I'll leave the link in the description as promised. I found them on YouTube and wrote, guys, I want the same mats. They found out I was a blogger and sent me the mats from the Far East. They said, like, test it, make a video, tell about them. And they reacted immediately. Yeah, that's very cool. They tell me, tell honestly about our mats. I actually like them. I'll drive now and get high. Now you can put a dirty bear in a diving suit and he will not shit up your car. He will not shit your new mats. But at the same time, you can wash the mats safely, but you cannot wash the carpet.